trying to get myself together. Some days, y'all, this vlogging can be so hard. You can't never find nothing don't go right. You can't. I'm just saying. I know I'm bidding, but hey y'all, I'm about to leave. This is what I'm wearing. I done put makeup on my shirt already. My boys is in the way, of course. I got my green, army green cardigan on with slacks, army green slacks with my tan shoes and my tan purse. I'm wearing my bob with my watch, and yeah, I'm about to get my nails and feet done and then go to Target. Yeah, that's nice. Thank you. Thank you, Kevin. They got a few things in here, not too much. Ooh, these are gorgeous. Them down there. It's a lot of Christmas stuff trying to get rid of. Those are cute. Yeah. Alright, I'm done looking in here. I'll get back with y'all in a minute.